Hey guys, I'm Jess. Welcome back to my channel. We've got the husband creature here again. Say hi.
Hi.
This is Ash, my other half, and we're doing my first ever unboxing of a mystery box from eBay. What did we get?
170 CDs.
That we don't know what they are.
No, for $30.
So we're going to show them the box because it's quite big. We like it big. That's what she said.
Yeah, so this is the box.
So I've got that song stuck in my head. What's in the box? In the box. You know that song?
No.
Alright, so we're just going to pull some out to see what kind of...
To see how much we got done.
Yeah, exactly. Do you know what kind of genre it is?
I think it's meant to be rock or something, or pop or something.
That's what.
So I think that's a dud.
Tom's Party.
That looks like a dud.
Richard Little.
Yeah. That looks like a dud.
I don't even know who that is. It says 5.
That's a dud.
Do you know who that is?
No. Another dud. That's a single, that one.
Oh wow.
Don't know about that one. Oh god.
What is it?
Don't know.
Interesting.
Oh wait, we've got a good one.
Have we got a good one?
Yes. Look.
Oh my god, you just bought this recently.
Yeah, I did. I didn't know it was
Dark Side of the Moon.
Yeah, so I got 2 copies now.
So now I've got 2
But at least
copies of
that's
that.
a good one.
But that means you could sell it on eBay.
Yeah, you wouldn't get much for it.
No, but because you could resell some of these.
Here's another one that I have no idea what it is.
Kancha.
Oh, here's another good one.
No idea.
Michael Bublé.
I like Michael Bublé or Michael Bublé.
Bubbly.
He always comes back alive around Christmas time to sing his Christmas songs.
Yeah, I don't think that's anything. I don't think that's anything either. Have a look at that one. That one's nothing really.
Revised Quest.
Well, this one would be one for you, Michael Bolton.
I like.
So that'd be alright.
Yeah, I like Michael.
So far, put them in a good pile. So there's 3. Don't keep them, because the others can get chucked.
Is that what you're really going to do with them?
Haven't you been keeping them together?
No, but I am now. It's alright.
Here's another Michael Bolton. That looks like a single, so that's new. Yeah.
What is that? Oh, Scissor Sisters.
I
I like Scissor Sisters. Live from Mars, Ben Harper. Should be
Would
right.
this be jazz? Have a look at that one. Is that jazz? Old jazz or something?
Not really sure. A Taste of Tradition. Could be.
Just by going
Or
by the
blues,
pictures.
maybe.
Yeah, blues or something, yeah.
What on earth made you get a box like this? Is it just because of your love of CDs?
Yeah, but I just thought, I'd get it. It was cheap, so I thought.
Yeah, but cheap just doesn't mean like good things.
But I didn't think cheap would mean shit though.
Well, what did you think cheap meant?
Oh, God.
What's that? I love the cover art on some of them.
Yeah, here's another one.
Oh, that's funny.
Oh, like this one might be right, I don't know. I don't know what.
This one is Jamiroquai.
Oh, yeah. We like to
And
America.
got, look, bubblegum pop.
I might give that one to Suze. She likes pop.
Oh, Ace of Base, but it's a single.
That
Look.
was for you,
No,
Suze.
Look, Ace of Base,
I like Ace of Base.
but it's a single, so that's a good one. Oh, that's
Yeah, I
not
like Good
bad.
Charlotte.
That's another good one.
Do you guys like unboxings or like mystery boxes? Because I've never done one.
It's a good Charlotte. It's down there. Have you even put them in the right colour? No, where is it? I just found it. No. That one. Oh yeah, that one. Oh look, another Jamiroquai. The only thing is...
But
And if
there's
you
a
guys
lot,
do
there's
buy...
There's a lot here
Yeah.
that I don't even know what they are.
Yeah.
Oh,
If you
look,
guys do buy mystery
you too?
boxes, what do you buy?
But it's a single.
I know Michelle loves YouTube because she named her cat after Bono.
Yeah, look, yeah, Mariah Carey, so that's alright.
Yeah.
Hey, look, Van Morrison, that's a keeper.
Yep. Didn't Michelle name her cat after Bono? YouTube.
Yeah. You're getting sidetracked.
I always get sidetracked. Or Kylie Minogue.
Yeah. I think these are all rubbish.
Duds. Got like half the box is gone already, and most of it's been duds. So
It's not even half a box, I don't think.
Really? One?
Yeah. Matchbox 20.
I like Matchbox 20. And if you guys do like CDs and that, if you still listen to CDs, or are you all iTunes and that? Who listens to CDs?
Hey?
Like,
Me.
who still listen to CDs?
I do.
Yeah, but I'm asking them.
Yeah.
That
one's alright, that's a rock one.
Because we're old school, aren't we?
Yeah. Wow. That's a soundtrack from the Love Guru. Wow. Do you like Ronan Keating? But it's a single,
I
think.
used to, but I got over him.
You look at him? Yeah. Bryan Adams? Yeah,
I like Bryan Adams.
I think I might already have that one though. Have a look at these. Oh, Cavarotti's alright.
Donkey's ears.
Mm-hmm. Can I have a look at them? I don't know anything about them. No, I got it though. Unplugged. Eric Clapton. That's a good one, but I've got it. Sinead O'Connor. Be a keeper. Don't know what that is.
I want to see how many out of 170 that we
Yeah.
keep.
George Michael. So that's alright.
Wasn't he on The Voice?
He's dead.
Oh, yeah.
You're
Wrong
thinking
person.
of Boy George.
Boy George is on The Voice. I
That's a
always get
keeper?
people muddled
Look,
up.
that's a keeper. Did you tell him what it was?
What was it? Sultana. Santana.
Sultana, you twist. Good one.
Sultana. Gangsta's Paradise. I used to love that song.
Oh look, here's one that it's even brand new. Look, do you know him?
No.
No.
Jimmy McCarthy.
That's probably why it's unopened. The
Is
black.
that a yes there?
Yeah, it's a good one, but I'm just saying I've already got it though.
We've got 2 piles of yeses now.
Yay, I didn't think we'd have any.
Elton John?
I like
Sorry.
Elton John.
Do you know that one?
What is it? Shy Head. I've heard of Shy Head.
Do you like Ben Lee?
Not overly a fan of Ben Lee.
Yeah.
Remember if I like him.
You said you did. That's Madonna.
Oh, I like John. Ripples. Yes.
2 of them.
Ripple CD soundtrack from Ripple's Drag Race.
Look. Yeah. That's the Blues Brothers, that'd be
Yep.
alright.
Blues Brothers. Are we nearly there yet?
Yeah, I haven't got many left. Yeah, I keep that one. It's the 3 tenors. But I might already have that already, so... Did you put it in the keeper pile?
Yeah, we'll do.
Don't have that one. Oh yeah, it's alright.
Willie Nelson. That's a keeper.
The Black Sorrows.
I like the Black Sorrows.
Yeah, the Dead Republic. Don't know about that one. Don't know about this one. This is a tribute to Michael Bublé.
Michael Bublé.
Look, so that's a keeper. This is another one of those rock ones.
Like a rock complication. Can't think of the word.
Compilation.
You didn't even
I
say
don't
it.
know. Whatever. Did better than you. That's a keeper.
Oh, yeah. No, that's my keeper pile. I've got 3.
Okay. Alien Ant Farm.
I like Alien Ant Farm. Do you know the song?
Well, it's a keeper then. Put in the keeper pile.
I'll keep that one. Pure alternative.
This one looks alright. Maybe.
I used to collect them. Who remembers the So Fresh soundtracks?
So what do you think? It's
Yeah.
not a soundtrack.
No, well, CD, like the, you know, the compilations.
Yeah, well, I was close. Counting Crows.
Yep,
Leanne Rhymes.
yep.
So those two are keepers.
So we counted out the ones that we're keeping in the good pile. And what's the grand total?
Including these ones, 63.
63. So what's that from 170 that are bad? I can't math.
It works out about a third.
Yeah.
So 2/3 are junk.
But you could resell some.
Yeah, I could, but it still doesn't work out bad because I only pay $30. So they worked out, the good ones worked out at 50 cents each, so it's still alright.
That's not bad.
Yeah. The only thing is a lot of them are doubles.
Yeah.
I've already got them.
So is it worth $30?
Yeah, probably, but I wouldn't do it again.
So it's just a fun thing.
Yeah. Like, if it was, say, like a bulk lot of classical or something like that, I might do it.
Yeah, because you like
So
classical especially.
if I knew what it was.
Yeah.
But a mystery box, well, yeah, I wouldn't do that again.
Yeah. But yeah, why he did this was because he particularly collects CDs in general, so.
Yeah.
Yeah. But this is fun, so thank you for doing this video with me, Ash. And I hope you guys enjoyed this, and if you ever, like I said, if you ever do mystery boxes or anything like this, let me know in the comments below, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys soon in another video. Bye!
Bye.